Hello everybody, teachers from Liceos de los Ejércitos. I'm here to talk to you about Beehive, our latest series for primary students. First, we're going to be talking about the components and then we will discuss what is the methodology of the series. So this is a 7-level series that takes students from pre-A1 up to B1 in level number 6. In terms of the components, students can get either the student book or the student book and workbook pack. Either one of those packs come with a hub code, which gives students access to the online practice and other students resources that they can download. Now, for teachers get the teacher's print book, teacher's guide in print, okay, together with a hub code that is going to give them access for 4 years of the classroom presentation tool of the student's book and workbook, okay. Also, the phonic class presentation tool for the phonics levels, in case you want to use that, online practice teacher's profile, and the teacher's resources. So, where do teachers get all of those resources? Through our Oxford English Hub. So let me take you there to see everything that is available to you. Basically, the Oxford English Hub is a place where you can find everything in one single place. Okay, one place for easy access on any device. So you're going to have not only the digital course materials, but also professional development and other types of resources. So what you have to do is just log in with your Oxford ID, and then you will get access to your courses right here. Oh, okay. In this case, we're going to access Beehive level 2. I mean, level 3. So from one place, you get to access the 3 digital components, which are the classroom presentation tool for the student book, classroom presentation tool for the workbook, and the online practice. In a minute, we will take a look at all of them. Also, you will have all of the resources, okay, in one place. Okay, all right, but let's go straight to the classroom presentation tool. Okay, so this is the one. You're gonna have the chance to access the digital book either online through the website or offline by downloading an app to your computer. Okay, so you're gonna see this screen in which they're gonna ask you if you want to either open it from the browser or open it from the app. Okay, and we can even do both. Okay, I can open it here from the browser, and in a minute it's also gonna open from the app. Okay, which is this one right here. Okay, okay, so let me just put it into page view, and what you have here is an interactive book with all of the multimedia resources integrated. And by multimedia resources, I mean the audios, okay, and you have several functionalities such as the speed, okay, you can also record, or students, if they have the ebook as well, they can record their voices, okay. You can go to specific parts, okay, of the recording and go back 5 seconds just to listen to any specific word or phrase. So you can play all of the audios from the student's book and workbook from here, as well as the videos, okay? When we get to a video, I'll show you. Now, Let me go through a unit to show you what is the methodology of the book. So lesson 1 introduces 8 new vocabulary items through a colorful illustration in the context of a unique topic, as you can see right there, right here, this picture. It provides vocabulary practice as well as a critical thinking task, and presentation and practice of a functional language poem. You can also see it right here. The lesson objective sets the learning intention for the lesson right here. Once students have worked with the vocabulary in the first page, then they use that vocabulary to complete a critical thinking task, okay, right here. And also, okay, they can practice the functional language, okay, through the team up task right here at the bottom right corner, okay, that allows students to practice the global skills of communication, collaboration, and creativity. Okay, now let's go to lesson number 2. In lesson number 2, a new grammar structure is presented through a humorous cartoon featuring the team characters. The new structure is then practiced through listening, reading, and writing activities. The new grammar structure is presented in these boxes. Okay, there may be 1 or 2 grammar structures. And finally, the thema task in the top right bottom corner, okay, reviews the new grammar structure in a collaborative pair or group work activity. Lesson number 3 presents 6 new vocabulary items through colorful photos, okay. This vocabulary is practiced through a speaking activity using a recycled grammar structure from the previous unit or previous levels. Lesson 3 also presents the unit's second new grammar structure through a humorous cartoon. Okay, this is a really nice feature. And practice the structure through a song, which is the best way to practice grammar because you know the magic of music, okay, as well as grammar works with patterns that is going to help students memorize and internalize the grammatical structures. Lesson number 4 consists of a cartoon story which recycles the vocabulary and grammar from the unit. Each story features an emotional well-being theme. Students complete a comprehension activity, discuss the emotional well-being theme, and then act out the story in groups. Here's a chance where I can show you how to play the videos from the classroom presentation tool. So basically, you have is the video right here, and you can also show the script, okay, and you can choose what place you want the script to be shown, okay, and you can also go to specific parts of the video just by clicking on the line. Okay, so this is a really nice way to present the videos. Okay, so now let's go to lesson number 4. Okay, right here. So lesson number 5, which is this cultures and skills lesson. Okay, so the lesson number 5 presents an aspects of a life of 2 different countries through a video and a different video, of course, from the previous one, and a reading text. Students learned about different cultures around the world while practicing listening, speaking, and reading skills. A writing focus activities prepare students to complete a writing task in the workbook. Okay, so you can see it right here. So this is a really nice lesson because it has everything. First of all, the students have the chance to practice what the knowledge they have acquired in the previous lessons, the grammar, the vocabulary, and develop the four language skills that are paired together, one receptive skills together with a productive skills, listening, speaking, and same thing here, a reading activity that progress into a writing, okay, task. They also have a cultural aspects, and you can see in these photos the two countries that are compared, okay? And also students are given the chance to uh, compare those two countries with their own country through personalization activities, okay? So a speaking task right here at the bottom, okay? With fluency focus encourages students to compare their own experiences. Lesson number 6 is the project lesson. Okay, there's one project lesson per unit, and this lesson allows students to review the vocabulary and grammar from the unit as well as the previous lesson, lesson number 5. And this one, it does it in a collaborative and creative way. The project is followed by a vocabulary review and a choice board. Okay, so first, the students see a photo of the finished project, okay, that um, show them what they are expected to create. Then, pictures and illustrations show students how to do the project, okay, right here, step by step. Then, students watch a video showing children presenting their finished project. So this is the third type of video, okay? And finally, okay, for students who cannot play the video, they can use this activity, okay, right here, to as a model for children to follow, okay. And as I mentioned previously, students choose activities from the choice board to review the vocabulary and grammar from the unit. And in the workbook, they have my in case the students have the workbook, they have my progress section, okay, so they have a self-assessment activity right there. There is an extra lesson every 2 units called Let's Read, which, of course, as you can tell, is a reading skill lesson, okay, in which they're going to have a text and comprehension activities, okay. They can also listen to the recording and read along. Finally, at the back of the book, okay, students are going to find extra explanation, further explanation, okay, and in the workbook they find further practice of each one of the grammar points, okay, that the series presents in each unit. Now, let's go and take a look at the online practice, okay, that complements and extends the students or the content of the student's book. So we go back to the Oxford English Hub, okay, and then from here you go to online practice. So it's going to open up a new browser window, okay, since it took a while since I didn't log in, so it's gonna ask me for my Oxford ID again, but usually it's going to take you straight to the online practice. So what you find here is a series of online interactive activities that students have to do to practice vocabulary, grammar, and the four language skills. Okay, there are different types of activities. There are some of them are multiple choice, drag and drop. Here you have to order the sentences. Okay, they're very entertaining, dynamic. Okay, and the students are going to love it. Teachers will be able to see the performance of students in all of these activities, okay, through a digital gradebook. Here, for example, they get to see a video and answer the questions as along with the video. So, thank you very much. We look forward to have another presentation where we can further show you the digital components of the book. Thank you very much, and let's hear